We're at the Richfield Historical Nature Park for Maple Syrup Family Day. Let's go see what this is all about.
But he was. Isn't that good?
Yeah, that's what I have my mom and dad.
Because they're showing
so much that I couldn't take another class. Then I became part of a
Are these as hot as they sound?
they do a good heat, yeah.
They have heat, alright.
Got it?
No, right here. There you go.
There.
Now, okay. Go like that. Pick up the area. And then you got ice in the bottom, which is good. It keeps it from blowing away. See? That's how that works. Very.
Daddy, look!
Good job, buddy. Good. Until they start budding out, you can tap. Some of the silver maples may have budded out already in the area, but other maples you can.
All right. I wanted to maybe get cranberry sourdough. Sure.
Richfield, and then the farm down the road.
Want to try? Put your hand on the crank.
Yeah, I want to try.
2 hands. It's almost in there. You'll get a turn, Gerald. Just let him do it. Oh, there it was coming out. Good job. I need 2 hands. Good job, buddy. My cookies.
I'm struggling with these are actually flatbreads. They're risen bread, pancakes, Johnny cakes, English muffins.
Step down off this step, please. Thank you. Just to say thank you.
All would have been cooked on top of the stove. I only have a cooktop. I don't have a baking chamber, so I would never be able to make bread, a loaf of bread.
In between there.
Yeah, same principle.
And it switches, and then you put it back to there. It's very cool. Yeah.
I'm gonna do this over and over and over again, and it's highly cool. Help me.
This is
How they last time like this, so you have to do that a lot of times.
Oh, really hard.
And then once you're just in time,
Somebody coming with a paper hat.
and then
Very hard. And then you can start to. Well, it was in the way.
You're gonna kind of pretend that this is already done for you. This is gonna be the top of your hat. Open the book.
Be careful.
Yeah, you said that.
Oh, that one ran me Luffy. There you go.
This was made in the 1820s. Or 1850s, sorry. 1880s. Yeah, 1880s. It's got the same thing. This one, it grabs it and it chops it down into tiny pieces as well. This is all made for cows to eat. They go into the silos.
easier.
Yeah, you gotta keep your arm up really high. I don't think you're tall enough to do that. Not. Oh, so close.
I think I can eat.
They're like suckers.
Remember we were at the domes?
I'm fine for now. It's like I said, if we have to pick up more, we'll pick up.
Well, we didn't have time to see everything. Only a very small portion of the park, actually. But that was a lot of fun. We'll definitely be back next year. One of the things we didn't get to see was the mill. They have a really cool old grain mill where they turn wheat into flour. I found a cool video tour of that place. It's on YouTube. I'll put a link on the screen right now. Let me know if that worked. If you want to learn more about the Richfield Historical Society, check out the link in the description. They do activities all year long. They've got stuff for all ages. It's a really popular site for school field trips. They partner with Girl Scout and Boy Scout troops to do projects and help them earn awards. If you want to help them out, you can volunteer, make a donation, become a member. Everything helps them in their effort to preserve and share the history of this area. It's pretty cool. If you want to see more videos like this, showcasing the unique things that Wisconsin has to offer, let me know. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to do more videos like this. Either way, thanks for watching.